If you think the cars coming in 2026 are just copies of previous years, then wait, because what you're about to see can completely change your standards of reliable cars. In 2026, a few models are arriving with performance, safety, and long-term reliability so strong that experts are calling them future-proof rides. And before we continue, if you want real, honest information about new cars, features, and the 2026 lineup, then make sure to subscribe to Wish Drive. And don't forget to drop your opinion in the comments. Your voice truly matters here. These upcoming models have something rare, something modern cars are slowly losing. Performance that doesn't fade with time. It actually feels better. That's why the reliable cars of 2026 might be the perfect start for your next big decision. Accord. Overview and position. The Honda Accord remains the mid-size benchmark. For 2026, Accord continues to blend comfort, technology, and a refined driving character. It aims to be a sedan that serves families and drivers who want something more than a simple commuter car. Design and exterior. The Accord presents a long, elegant profile. Its roofline flows into a refined rear, giving it a coupe-like presence while keeping 4 doors. The front fascia is wide and dignified. Headlights are narrow and full LED. Chrome accents are tasteful and modern. On the road, the Accord looks poised rather than flashy, a sign of confidence. Powertrains and economy. Accord offers multiple powertrains. Base models use a smooth, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder tuned for fuel economy. Mid and high trims offer a turbocharged 4-cylinder for stronger passing power and better highway merging. Accord also comes in hybrid variants that combine an internal combustion engine with electric assist. The hybrid option gives immediate low-speed torque and excellent average fuel economy. Performance and ride. Honda tunes the Accord for balance. The suspension delivers a comfortable ride on daily roads while still providing composed handling on curvy stretches. Steering is precise with good steering weight. In the turbo and hybrid trims, acceleration is crisp and responsive. Passing maneuvers on highways feel confident. Braking is firm with predictable pedal feel. Interior layout and comfort. Step inside and the Accord feels grown up. Materials are upgraded with soft touch panels and supportive seats. Rear leg room is generous for the mid-size class. The driver ergonomics focus on clarity. Controls sit where your hand expects them to be. Noise insulation is improved over prior models, making highway miles less tiring. Technology and infotainment. Accord features a clear central touchscreen with logical menus. Smartphone integration includes wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Available driver aids include adaptive cruise, lane centering assist, and traffic jam support in higher trims. Premium trims offer a multi-speaker sound system and wireless charging. Safety and reliability. Honda's safety suite for Accord is comprehensive. Advanced collision mitigation, lane departure alerts, and pedestrian detection are standard on many trims. Honda's reputation for reliability and strong resale value remains intact, and an important factor for long-term ownership. Safety and reliability. Honda's safety suite for Accord is comprehensive. Advanced collision mitigation, lane departure alerts, and pedestrian detection are standard on many trims. Honda's RAV4 is one of the most popular SUVs in the world. For 2026, Toyota made a big upgrade. The new model looks sharper, cleaner, and more powerful. The hybrid engine is the main highlight. It uses a new electric assist system. This system gives quicker acceleration. It also saves more fuel. City driving becomes very smooth. Highway driving feels strong and stable. Toyota also worked on the suspension. The new suspension absorbs bumps better. Rough roads feel softer. The cabin stays quieter even at high speed. Inside the car, Toyota added a large 14-inch screen. The user interface is simple. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto work wirelessly. The digital instrument cluster is clean and bright. Safety is a big upgrade too. Toyota Safety Sense Plus brings new features. Better lane assist, better auto braking, better night detection, and a faster reaction time. The 2026 RAV4 is safe, reliable, and extremely practical. It remains one of the strongest choices for families. Comfort, power, fuel economy, all in one package. Honda CR-V 2026. Smarter design, powered comfort. Honda redesigned the CR-V for 2026. The body looks more aerodynamic. The front grille is cleaner. The lines across the body are smoother. The whole car looks modern and bold. The hybrid engine system is more efficient. Honda improved the electric motor. This helps in city driving. When you press the accelerator, the car moves instantly. There is no delay. The hybrid also gives better mileage. Inside the CR-V, the cabin feels premium. Soft touch materials are used on doors and dashboard. The seats have better support. Long drives feel more relaxing. The air conditioning system is upgraded. It cools the cabin faster, even in hot weather. The new digital screen looks clean and easy to read. Honda Sensing 2.0 adds strong safety features: lane keep assist, road prediction, collision prevention, blind spot monitoring. All features work faster than before. The CR-V 2026 is made for families who want comfort, safety, and fuel economy. It is smooth, modern, and extremely reliable. Corolla Cross. This compact SUV is all about balance, offering reliability, efficiency, and modern design for everyday life. Under the hood, buyers can choose between a 2.0-liter petrol engine and a hybrid option, which delivers smooth acceleration and remarkable fuel economy. The hybrid version is especially appealing for long drives and city commuting, making it an ideal choice for families and daily drivers alike. Step inside, and the Corolla Cross impresses with a clean, modern cabin. A larger 10-inch touchscreen comes standard, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are newly cushioned for comfort, and improved sound insulation ensures a quiet ride. Toyota has also prioritized safety, equipping the 2026 model with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This includes lane assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic braking, and blind spot monitoring. With an estimated global price ranging from $27,000 to $32,000, depending on trim and hybrid choice, the Corolla Cross offers practicality and peace of mind in a stylish, modern package. In short, it's reliable, efficient, and future-ready,